Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video, I will show you best apps for note taking. So these apps guys is very important for everyone, especially if you are a student or even if you are a worker in an office. So these apps is very important. Like me, I also use these apps and I guarantee you that these apps is very useful. So let's start guys. So now we download the apps. So we go to Play Store. Open Play Store and type or search Evernote. So this is a very excellent apps guys for note taking. So Evernote and search. So this is it guys, and we download this, and after that I show you the use of these apps. So we'll wait until this finish guys. So many application guys for note taking, and there is also offline for this. So this one guys, this is online, and before you open these apps, you need to log in to your account. If you have Yahoo, it's okay, and if you have Gmail, so it's okay to log in with these apps. So many features of these apps that you can use to log in into your account. So now guys, it's almost finished. After this guys, I show you on how to use this one, and how what is the use of this application. So now guys, it's completely done. So we open, and you see guys, it asks you to enter your email. So I log in with my second or my another Gmail. So now guys, it's done. So welcome, take a quick tour to learn what you can accomplish with Evernote. So just hit great, great, let's go. So create a note. So now guys, it's already here. So I show you on how to use this one. So I try resume. So this is it guys. You can write template or you can use template. So this is it. Here's the template guys. Collection, flying, template gallery. You can choose either of these template guys, mini template that you can use. So if you want to save templates, this is the storage of your save template. if you want to create note for, so you see this one, mini categories, home and garden, management resources, marketing and sales, meeting, party and planning, personal well-being, project management, school, travel. So if you are a businessman or businesswoman, so use this one template, Sandler. And then after you click this one, guys, if you want to use this one, marketing and sales, hit apply template. It will automatically apply the templates that you are going to use. So we try another template. So we try this one, personal well-being. So this one, guys, this is very nice. So just click that one and click apply template. Now we go back. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hit the bell icon so that you can notify if I have new videos to be uploaded. So see you on my next videos. Thank you, guys.